Hi, folks. Welcome back to another edition of Tips and Tricks for Acumatica. I'm David Eichner, a licensed CPA and Senior Solutions Engineer with Kensium. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about DocuSign integration with Acumatica and how you can implement that quickly and easily. So we're going to go ahead and show, first of all, downloading is free from the add-on site. If you go out to the community website, you'll see the product, and then if you click on add-ons, we will open up and see the add-ons and integrations overview post that was put out there. And what we're going to do is click on this eSign integration, and we're going to download the eSign integration for whichever version of Acumatica we're dealing with. You click on that and download it. It'll be the same package, regardless of which version you have of these, and you will be able to do the following. So you'll come into Acumatica, go to More Items, Customization, Customization Projects, and you'll be able to import that zip file that was downloaded from the website. Once you find that file, we're going to browse to that file, and we're going to import it in. And you'll notice that the eSign integration piece will be here. You can go ahead and mark that to publish it. You can either publish it from inside the application or publish it out here. If you already have things published and you don't want to have to unpublish all or publish all of them again, you can just publish from within and just publish the current project. All right, so we've successfully finished publishing the eSign customization. Close that. So once you've refreshed the screen and you're able to get into after publishing, you'll notice there's a place where you can set up an eSign account. So there is a demo site out there that you can utilize, and you get set up with Adobe for using their sandbox account or their production account. The other piece in here that we're going to go ahead and get set up is make sure that we can access all of these screens. And then the next step that we're going to do is we're going to actually show how you could potentially use this. So if I'm doing a sales quote or if I have a contract associated with a customer, I can go ahead and select a particular customer. And if there's a PDF document associated with that customer, I'll be able to select that customer and select that document. And we're going to walk through how you can send that document for signatures using DocuSign. So I'm going to select the customer. We'll notice that there are a couple of different documents here. If this was, for instance, a contract PDF that had been attached to the document, we can actually drill down into this document level, and you can see that there's the ability to do an e-signature from this level. So I can click on e-sign, and it will have the people that need to sign. I can add additional contacts at the company if I need to. If there's only one company email address on file, then you can just send it to that. But it'll send it both to my internal user email. So since I'm logged in as Maxwell Baker as the CFO, I'll be able to come in here and then click send. And what it does when I click send is then it will pop up and connect with DocuSign. And it'll bring that document together, and it will allow me to add places for initials. I can drag and drop onto the PDF, a signature, the date signed. All of these things can be populated via DocuSign. We can send that. And then when it comes back, it would sync back into the document. We'd have the signed document in here as another version that would continue to add, that would be here as soon as it's finished. And that's how you would work with DocuSign. So any document attached to any record can have this happening. So if we have contractual relationships with vendors and we're sending those DocuSigns, we'd first add the attachment, and then we'd go into the signing area within the document listing. That's it for today. This is David Eichner signing off for our Acumatica tips and tricks at Kensium.